Ever since I picked up the ball, I knew this was my calling. There's just something about this game that keeps me coming back every season, hungry for more. The passion, the energy, from my team, from our crowd. For me, there's nothing else like it at HANALANI.
I want to get back for Ellana.
My team has my back, and I have theirs. Every day we practice together, making sure we stay on top of our game. It's so awesome to find people who love the same things as you do, and really care about you, on and off the court. I'm really thankful to my family for their encouragement and support. I'm thankful to God for this incredible community I've found. And I'm thankful for the Vincent Foundation Scholarship for this awesome experience. My name is Ellana Klemp, and I'm doing what I love the HANALANI way.